Hello everyone, it's Mr. Darkus here, and I'm here to provide you with a tutorial on how to install these mods. As you can see, I already have them on screen, but if you want to get them, there's a link for that, the Cumland RAR file. You'll find all these mods here. Now, what to do with them? You're going to want to use the T launcher, because we want skins, of course. Now, you want to go to TL mods. Then, you want to create a new mod pack. Select the version 1.12.2. This should be the forge version, which I'm not going to read. You can call it whatever you want. I suggest Cumland, but because I already have that, I'm going to call it Cum. Now, I'm going to go to the folder thing, versions, Cumland, of course, if you named it that, and it cum. First, you're going to launch it once, so all the files get set there, like this. This doesn't have to load. It won't take a while anyways. Might as well let it. It's done. So the files are all here now. And there's a mods folder right here in the cum folder. Then you'll go to the Cumland RAR file, which has all the mods. Take all of them and put them in the mods folder. And that's that. You've installed the mod pack. Good job, lad. Or lass. I don't fucking know. Yeah, good job. That's that. Cumland is complete.